Oh, I did press record. I hope. I didn't think I did. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Today we're off to the Custard Factory.
Custard Factory, I'll bend my knees.
It's alright. We're going to Birmingham and we're going to go and have a look around the rag market, Custard Factory, go to the red brick market and
Just see
go
where
and
we
have
go.
some brunch somewhere.
Yeah.
Just show you what it's like in Birmingham to go for a day trip.
Okay.
We're at Kiddie at the minute, at the train station. So we have got the train and it has cost us £12.
Yep, I have it.
£12 something, yeah, I know, I'm going to explain that. And it cost us £12 something return because he has a veterans card with both of us on it. Otherwise it would be about £12 each. I think it's £12, £15 each or something.
£9.80 or something.
Yeah.
Return.
So
Cheaper half.
we've if you're a veteran or you're married to a veteran, get them to get a veterans rail card and to get the veterans card. He needs to get that because you get money off of a lot of things. So we're just waiting for the train now. So the train was a little bit delayed.
Shocker! British Rail, we're getting there.
We'll get you there. I didn't say when.
By car.
No, I'm not driving around Birmingham in
No,
a car.
I didn't.
Here we go.
I got Van
Off to the Custard Factory. You looking forward to it?
Yes, I am.
Do you have to be like that? Why can't it just be normal?
I'm normal.
Well, here we go. Indian restaurant in Selfridges downstairs. I'll give you a quick flip round. We got, what did we get? I'll have to get the thing out. So Tom got a lamb rogan curry bowl and a garlic naan. I got a chicken biryani. We got some onion bhajis and 2 cokes, and it came to £44.40. So I'll show you what the meal looks like when it comes. We get given this little thing. So we're gonna have our biryani and curry, do all of that. Are you happy?
Always happy. About to be fed.
Smells fabulous, doesn't it?
It does, yes.
It's absolute. God, the lighting here is good. Absolutely delicious. Would 100% recommend. Mwah. Hello, editing Vagrant here. I was literally just editing and we didn't even do an outro or anything. We had a wonderful day, thoroughly enjoyed it. That curry was epic. It was beautiful. A little bit on the pricey side, but worth every penny. It was fabulous. I have a little bit of a confession to make as well. When I was using my GoPro, I don't know why, but I kept turning it off when I thought, like, as in not recording. So all I had on here was my coat. So that's why you didn't get anything of the Custard Factory or anything like that. But everything was closed anyway. But we had a great time in Birmingham, and there is plenty to do. If you have little ones, there is also the Sea Life Centre, the canals. We hardly even scratched the surface. So this is going to be part one of our day trip to Birmingham. We will go back again later on in the summer and do some other bits and pieces that you can watch too. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and from Tom and from myself, we'll see you next time. Bye!